What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. So in today's video we have got another price update on Jasmy, guys. So yes, it has been dipping in the last few hours, as you can see, 20% down in the last 24 hours. So we're going to be looking at, is it a good time to invest or is it a pump and dump token? A lot of people have been DMing me and also in my previous Jasmy video commenting saying, should I get into it, am I missing out, or should I just avoid it? So that's what we're going to be going through today, looking at, is it too late to invest, should you invest, should you wait, what my predictions are and what my takes are on this crypto, and also answering your questions that you have previously asked me regarding this crypto. But before I get into all of that, I just want to let you guys know this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. As you can see, Jasmy has dropped in value, so I think he's one of the top losers. It is actually the #1 losers in the last 24 hours. Yes guys, it wasn't the top gainers for about 3 to 4 days consistently, and if you watched my previous video, you would have seen me warn you guys that do expect a slight dip to take place over the coming days, because whenever I see a crypto doing huge numbers in a short amount of time, I am predicting a dip, and that is exactly what happened. It has dipped 20% in the last 24 hours itself. So before I get into all of that, if you're new to the channel, you probably know what I'm going to say. Make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 30,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that, there will be a giveaway, guys. So all you need to do to enter the giveaway is simply subscribe to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. So Jasmy, the current value of Jasmy is just above 4 pence, and the value in US dollars is just above 6 cents. So over the week though, it is still up 103%, guys. So even though it has dipped about 20% in the last 24 hours, over the whole week it is still up a huge 100%. Over the month, 160%. As you can see, it was literally flat out for most of the month, and since here about the 7th of October, that is when it peaked up in value. Now guys, if we scroll down, we can see that the Jasmy is on the rise this week. However, it is 98% below its all-time high of £3.65, and this was hit all the way back in February 2021. So at the start of the year, I literally hit about £3.60, and I'm not going to bother asking you guys if you predict this crypto to hit a new all-time high, as that is very, very unlikely. You know, it's 98% below its all-time high, and for it to hit a new all-time high, it's going to have to do some huge numbers, which I am not predicting for that to happen at all. But if it does take place, and if it does hit a new all-time high later this year, I'm pretty sure it'll make a lot of people a lot of money, especially those who did invest into it right now. You'll probably make, depending on how much you've made, depending on how much you've invested, you can make millions, guys. But yeah, I'm not saying that's gonna happen, but yeah, if it does happen. Anyways, going on to the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume has gone down by a huge 35%, so not many people have been trading it. Of course, when there's a lot of hype around it, a lot of people are talking about it, it's the #1 trending, and so on and so on. A lot of people seem to invest. However, when it dips back down, that is when the when it's real. Like, they've made I'm not saying it's a good thing, but they've seen the real side of crypto, where risk management is very, very important. And I always tell you guys, only invest what you can afford to lose, especially with cryptocurrency. It can drop huge the next day, the next week, the next month even, but yeah, it's all about risk management. So without further ado, let's get straight into the price prediction and see what potential this crypto has over the next few weeks, days, months, and especially going into 2022. So as you can see right now, I'm going to zoom into the 30-minute chart. So we've got a week's worth of chart here, and as you can see on the side, guys, everything is green. Bitcoin getting closer to $60,000 every single day. Ethereum's up, XRP is up, BNB, ADA, everything is up in the last 24 hours. So the whole crypto market has been performing well, except Jasmy has been down quite huge over the last 24 hours. So because I'm looking at the 30-minute chart, this only predicts what's about to take place over the next few hours. So again, I will be moving on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart to look at the longer term prediction over the next few weeks and months as well. So if we zoom in here, we can see both the lines are looking bearish, going towards the negative trend. So do expect a slight dip in value over the next few next few hours. However, this doesn't mean that it's going to completely drop in value or have a huge price decrease. It just means expect a small decrease in value over the next few hours. Of course, there will be peaks, there will be dips, and it's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. Moving on to the hourly chart, looking very similar. So the next few days, again, do expect slight dips in on this crypto. Again, it doesn't mean huge dips or anything like that as of yet. However, if I am predicting a huge dip or a huge price increase or anything emergency updates or regarding Jasmy or just any cryptocurrency in general, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because that is the first place I'm going to let you guys know. That is the first place I post it on, and that is only one simple reason, because it's the most fastest and most efficient way to get news out to you guys, to let you know what's happening. And for me to upload a whole YouTube video could take me a couple of hours, and by that time it might be too late. You never know. So yeah, for all up-to-date news and emergency updates and so on, give me a follow on Instagram. So guys, let's move on to the daily chart. Now this graph is kind of confused, shall I say, and there's only one simple reason, because most of for most of the year it was flat out and suddenly peaked up in value so high that the graph is like, what the hell just happened? So over the next few weeks we can't really predict, but this graph is telling us that it might slightly go up in value, but we've got the blue line looking a little bit bearish, looking a little bit negative. So overall it seems to be up and down, so do expect it to go up in value as well as dip in value as well. But the overall outcome over the next 2 to 3 weeks seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side, because the orange line seems to be more of a looking more steep than the blue line. But yeah, these are my predictions for Jasmy, guys. Comment down below your end of your predictions. What target can it hit? A lot of people I've seen have been DMing me saying Jasmy is a scam and so on, don't invest into it and so on. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not going to give you guys my opinion, I'm debating on that as well. I'm not going to say it's a scam, I'm not going to say it's not a scam, but let me know your predictions and what you guys think of this crypto. And if you have invested into this cryptocurrency, let me know what your experience have been with this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Just a quick price update, price prediction on Jasmy. If you guys want weekly updates or maybe twice a week, 3 times a week, comment down your preferences on how often you guys want Jasmy updates. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and if you didn't, leave it a like as well. So either way, go down and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's try and hit 30k subscribers as soon as possible. And also, on that note, I just want to say a huge thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel. 25k subscribers, guys. That is a huge achievement for me. I know to most people what 25k is, might not is nothing huge, but for me, guys, trust me, 25k is a lot. There's 25,000 people subscribed to my channel. I'm just trying to grow it, guys, so it will mean a lot if you guys could subscribe. And I'll just every time someone subscribes, or not every time someone subscribes, but as long as you guys keep subscribing, I'll keep giving back, and that is the motive for this channel. But yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys for any longer. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll catch all of you guys in my next video. Take care and peace.